How to delete YouTube channel on phone. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. I'm going to show you guys how to do this step by step, so keep following all of these steps and you'll be able to delete your YouTube channel. Now if this video was helpful, definitely let me know in the comments and let's get started. So let's say this is your YouTube channel and you would like to delete it. Then unfortunately you cannot do this in the actual YouTube app. So for that you have to go to your browser. Now, you have to type in a link because we want to go to the YouTube Studio, but there's a problem. If you open up normally the YouTube Studio in Safari, it will automatically open up the YouTube Studio app. But there's also like a bypass way. So what you want to do is simply type in studio.youtube.com. And this is the direct link to YouTube Studio on the internet. Now, if it still gives you a pop-up like open in the app, then at the bottom you should probably see something like open anyways or something like that. And that's where you want to click on and make sure that you are logged into your correct YouTube channel. So on the top right, you can see that I am in the same YouTube channel. Then once you are here, you want to go back and then zoom in the bottom left corner and click on the settings icon. Then right over here, go to the channel settings and then go to the advanced settings right over there. This you want to scroll up actually, and then click on remove YouTube content right over there. Now, if you click on there, a new tab will open up and you first have to log into your Google account. Then once you have done that, it will give you two options. So it says, I want to hide my channel, I want to permanently delete my content. Now, here it will tell you what it will do. So the following will be permanently deleted: your 3 videos, your 1 subscription, comments that you made on YouTube, your replies and thumbs up on comments, YouTube gifts, settings, search and watch history, then any paid subscriptions that you own as well. So you want to enable both, and then you can actually click on delete my content, and that will completely delete your content and channel. Now you can also hide your channel, and then it says this will make your YouTube content and activity private until you re-enable your channel right over there. And so the following will be made private: your channel name, your likes, subscriptions, subscribers to your channel as well. Then the following will be permanently deleted: your comments made on YouTube and your replies on YouTube comments. So these are 2 ways in order to do it. One completely removes your channel or deletes your channel, and the other one hides your channel and only deletes a couple of comments. So that's up to you. You can decide which one you would like to choose, but that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, let me know in the comments, and then I'll see you next time.